Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, today we will see how to get maximum blooms on our Ixora plant. But before that, can I request you to please subscribe my channel? Friends, it is raining very heavily here. All my plants are enjoying rain. In rains, our plants get all the micronutrients from rain. Rainwater is very rich in nitrogen and many more micronutrients. So, if you have an opportunity to store rainwater, then you should store rainwater, catch rainwater, and store it for your plants. But because I'm staying in a flat and that too with very small balconies, it's not possible for me. But whenever possible, I bring all my indoor plants into my balcony so that they can enjoy nice rain shower. I wish even I could enjoy the rain, but of course it's a wish. I can't go out and get drenched, but I always wish that I should go out and get drenched in the rain. In our childhood, whenever it rains, first rain, our parents used to make us get drenched in the rain. First rain, they used to say that if you get drenched in the first rain, then you will not get cold and cough. And really so, we used to play so much in rain, but we never got any cold, cough, fever due to rain, due to playing in rain. So friends, can you see the beautiful blooms? I was just going on and on about rain, but can you see the color of the flowers and how nicely this plant is full of flowers? And there is so much new growth and so many flowers, so many buds in each tip. So I thought this plant needs some booster dose. So I want to show you what booster dose I'm going to give my plant at the end of the video, so that if your plant is flowering like this abundantly and growing many new shoots, then you should fertilize it. But I have already fertilized my plant before rain. Now even if I give fertilizer, all that will get drained out due to rainwater. Plant won't be able to absorb it, because these are flowering plants and towards the open side they are kept, so that they get good sunlight and good rain. So even if I get it will stink also if I give fertilizer. So let me show you what trick I am using. This is NPK 1919 and another one is Epsom salt, and that is some DAP granules I have taken. See, three things I have taken: NPK 1919 half spoon, DAP 1/4 spoon, and Epsom salt also half spoon. All these I have put in the soil, but before that I have loosened the soil. I have put in the soil and I will pour little water, or I will not pour water at all, because anyway it is raining. So again it will drain out. So this will enrich the soil and provide it the nutrition it requires for this much growth in the plant. So friends, if you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Okay